So now let's see how we can access the advanced menu properties inside of wordpress.com. So for that, I'm going to go around onto appearance and customize so that I get to the customizer. And then over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the menu section right here and then access the sample menu. So if I were to click on the down arrow right here, you don't see anything because I haven't turned on any advanced features for this particular menu. But if I were to go ahead back and then click on, let's say for example, this gear icon, then you can see that I can show some advanced menu properties. Let's say for example, if I were to enable link target, let's say for example, and then go around over here under wiki, you can see that I have an option to open this particular link now in new tab instead of opening in the same tab. So I can go ahead and save these changes. Similarly, I can go ahead and then click on the gear icon to add in title attribute or maybe CSS classes or link relationship description. So I can enable all of these right here, as you can see. And as you do that, now you can see everything. So you get the title attributes right here, CSS classes if you want to define some, the link relationships, and you can even add in the description for the particular menu item right there, just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and access out the advanced menu properties of the menus in the customizer of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.